Hey, what's up, you guys? Welcome back. In today's video update here for Ethereum, we are trading at $1,641. 24-hour volume, we're down 7.98%, and market cap, we're up 0.92%. Heading over to the chart here, like I said, you guys, we're going to go over 4-time intervals like my other videos. We're going to go through 1 week, 1 day, 2 hours, and 30 minutes, depending on your trade. Now, taking a look at 30 minutes here, we're going to take a look at 2 different types of fib charts. There isn't any area of convergence here. As we see, the lines are not matching. However, we can see the bottom swing lows are creating a lot of lower highs, which in this current uptrend itself at a 30-minute time frame, we can see the previous candlestick itself has initiated a sell order only at 77% of our K line and our D line at 74%. So taking a look at this, we are only retracing closer below the 80% to show a lot of weakness when it comes to the buyers. So what we're hoping for is an area of convergence or confluence is roughly around this node here that's sticking out from our profile volume of $1,635. Notice already it is near the point of our 20 MA. So if we are wanting the short-term uptrend to continue, we want to make sure we are bouncing very nicely from this node here again at 1635 in order to continue and retest this area of resistance at $1,648. The up rally itself, in retesting it, what we need is an area of volume, and the volume itself is quite low to retest it. So if we want to again see that retesting, we need higher volumes. It doesn't even help, or a matter of fact too, if we take a look at our MACD indicator at the very bottom here, that the indicator does show strides in red here. So if we are coming down closer to this area of 20 MA here and an expansion of our MACD indicator, then most likely we are going to strike right through that and come down to 61% of our fib at 1627. So that is for short term for 30 minutes. Heading over to our 2-hour chart here, we can see the strides, or at the very bottom here, notice the longer wicks compared to the wicks at the very top here, meaning that the bears are taking control as soon as we have this uptrend. We see an uptrend, we have a pullback, uptrend, pullback, uptrend, and now we're currently in this pullback. As the price is coming down, we can see again huge areas of selling pressure as the price again is going to continue to come down. The MACD indicator shows the trends itself, and we are seeing a slower trend on the green area and a potential crossover here. So as price is going to retrace down, we're going to take a look at areas of retracement levels, and really there's not a lot of areas of support itself, not even around our golden number at 61%. I'm going to take a look if we can do another fib chart, kind of roughly the same, to see if there is an area of convergence, and we can see roughly around the 61 and 50% where price may want to attract to again is at the 1629 here on a 2-hour time frame. Taking a look on our daily time frame, you guys, taking a little better look at the scope itself, the Bollinger Bands did squeeze in, meaning lower volatility. Price for Ethereum may not move as quickly as we want it to. We are above the 20 MA, which does help in this trend. We retraced down, retested the 20 MA. Now it is an overall test of the 50 MA. Take a look at some of the candlesticks that have retraced and got rejected at this zone. If we can continue to come up and retest the 50 MA, it will be a sign that the trend for our daily trend is a secondary uptrend. However, this may stop us in that production of 99% of our K line and 79% of our D line considered to be overbought, and we may retrace fairly quickly here. If we take a look at the notes of our volume indicator, really this is only the area that price does look like it generated a lot of trades at $1,568. Simply put, we're going to do another area of convergence to see if there is any peaks or interest in the price where it is going to lead to, and we can see 50% and 61% if price does lead to here, but it does put us in area of danger because it is closer to our 20 MA stay there. It may actually have a false breakout here from breaking through that line completely. Going into our weekly chart, you guys, of course, we all know we are in a bear market, as we can see below our 20 and below our 50. And of course, our MACD indicator, so long as it is below our 0% line, we know the overall trend is a bear trend and the volume itself is slowing down. So we want to take a look at short entries again until we get signals of any type of reversals. We take a look at an area of our fib chart. We can see we've been bouncing from the 61% to the 50% interval, and our RSI does trigger a potential buy opportunity. As we saw this yesterday, didn't really change so much. We do want to wait until next week here to see if these lines are going to separate from each other to initiate there is a buying opportunity at this end. So that's my video here for Ethereum. Thank you guys so much for watching. Like and subscribe to support the channel, and I'll see you next time.